In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hyperlink your LinkedIn profile in your resume to make it easy for potential employers to access your professional online presence. This small addition to your resume can make a significant difference by providing a gateway to learn more about your skills, experiences, and network. Let's dive into making your resume more interactive. First, we need to get your unique LinkedIn URL. Open up your LinkedIn profile and navigate to the section where you can find your public profile URL. It usually looks something like linkedin.com in your name. Once you've found it, simply copy this link to your clipboard. This URL is what you're going to hyperlink in your resume to direct viewers straight to your LinkedIn page. Next, think about how you want this link to appear in your document. You have two primary choices here. You might prefer to include the full URL, which is your LinkedIn address, and it gives a straightforward view of where the link leads. Alternatively, you can choose a more descriptive text, something as simple as LinkedIn profile. This cleaner look often integrates better with the overall design of your resume. After you've decided on the text, open your resume document. Whether you're using software like Microsoft Word, Google Docs, or any other text editor, the process remains universally similar. Highlight the portion of text in your document that you want to turn into the hyperlink. This could be the URL itself, if you opted for that, or the descriptive text you selected. With that text highlighted, it's time to insert your hyperlink. Find and select the hyperlink option in your document editor. Often, you can access this quickly by right-clicking the highlighted text and choosing Link, or by looking for a chain link icon in the menu bar. Once you're in the hyperlink dialog box, simply paste the LinkedIn URL that you copied earlier into the designated field for the link target. After inserting the hyperlink, it's crucial to ensure everything is working correctly. This step is often overlooked, but verifying the functionality of the hyperlink can save you from potential embarrassment. If you're planning to send your resume in a different format, like PDF, it's wise to export to that format first and test the link in the final version. Click on the hyperlink to see if it directs you to the right LinkedIn profile page. By following these steps, you have not only added a professional touch to your resume, but also set the stage for anyone reviewing it to understand more about your professional journey with just a simple click. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial helps you enhance your resume with ease. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to polish your professional presence.